Yeah, so this is like super simple. You ever wondered how some of these toilets work? Well, let me show you. I'm on this island they call Romblon. What's the name again?
Copacabana Hotel.
Copacabana Hotel. It's raining today. I picked up a scooter. We were supposed to go out exploring the island, but still just holding off the weather. So instead, let me show you around. You think I get sick? You sure?
Yeah.
Because of the rain? You ever walked that bridge? Oh, be careful. I don't think I dare, huh? Oh no! Left at the mall 'cause your mama forgot. I know it hurts. Rolling by the cool kids on the first day of school. I know it hurts. It's a cool place. I'll put a link down in the description or something. Basic, but charming and nice. My room over there is probably one of the cheaper ones. I'll show you. So, all you need is basically a bed, a glass door with an ocean view. Just put the luggage on the floor. Have your important stuff over here on the table. There's the toilet and shower, bathroom all together in one. All you need, a sink, toilet and shower. You ever wondered how some of these toilets work? Well, let me show you. For everyone's sake, I'm not going to do a number 2 for this demonstration, but you get the point. And of course, now you have this problem, and there's really no buttons or anything to push here to flush it, but don't worry, the solution is right over here. Yeah, so this is like super simple. You just take this one. And here we go. Three or 4 buckets normally do it for me though, but to be honest I haven't taken a shit yet, so don't really know how that's gonna turn out. Oh, remember to wash up